Once upon a time, they were two siblings. The girl who has short hair is the younger sister. The girl who has long hair is the older sister. While they are eating, the younger said, "The burger is not circle." The older sister is speechless because it is obviously a circle. When they are done eating, the younger sister said, "I'm so sorry, I'm still hungry." The older sister answered, "You're still hungry? Go, buy ice cream." The younger sister said, "Okay." When the younger sister came back, she said, "I promise I will buy you something beautiful tomorrow." So now, let's identify what are the illocutionary acts occurred in this situation. So as we all know, there are 5 types of illocutionary act: the expressive, assertive, or representative, commissive, directive, and declarative. So in the first panel, the younger sister said, "The burger is not a circle." So this is assertive or representative because it is her perspective or opinion. So in the second panel, the younger sister said, "I'm so sorry, I'm still hungry." So this is expressive because she expressed her feelings that she is still hungry. So in the third panel, the older sister said, "You're still hungry? Go buy ice cream." So this is directive because she makes the listener to commit an action. So in the fourth panel, the younger sister said, "I promise I will buy you something beautiful tomorrow." So this is commissive because the speaker commits to an future action or course. Thank you.